Got another lesson for you from Internet Money's new album Before the Storm. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Giddy Up. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is an E flat major 7 chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the B string. And you're going to finger pick the A string, D string, then the G, B, and high E strings at the same time. Then D string, A string, then the G, B, and high E strings at the same time again. Next is a D flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 6th fret, and you're going to do the same finger picking pattern again. Next is a G flat major chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. And you're going to finger pick the low E string, A string, then the D, G, and B strings at the same time, then A string, low E string, then the D, G, and B strings at the same time again. And then last is a C flat major chord. So you're going to just take the D flat major chord and move it down to the 2nd fret, and we're going to do the same finger picking pattern that we did on the D flat major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. So the next part I want to show you uses the same chord, just a different finger picking pattern. So starting on the E flat major 7 chord, we're just going to finger pick the A, D, G, and B strings at the same time. Then the same thing on the D flat major chord. Then on the G flat major chord, we're going to finger pick the low E, A, D, and G strings at the same time. And then on the C flat major chord, we're going to do the same thing we did on the D flat major chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Giddy Up. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.